Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Bubble for app building, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type bubble.io into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Bubble homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification message. Open the verification email from Bubble and click on the provided link. You will be redirected to the Bubble dashboard. Now, take a moment to explore the welcome tour if prompted, to familiarize yourself with the platform. Once you're comfortable, locate the Pricing tab at the top of the page. Click on the Pricing tab to view different subscription plans. Review the available plans and choose the one that suits your needs. Click on the Start for Free button under the plan you wish to select. You may need to input additional information based on your chosen plan. Complete the required fields and select your payment method if applicable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.